In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Excalidraw. By the end, you'll be comfortable opening the app, drawing clean shapes, adding clear labels, and connecting everything with arrows so your ideas are easy to understand. First, open your browser and head to excalidraw.com. There's nothing to install, and you'll land right on a blank canvas. Think of this as your digital whiteboard. You'll see a simple toolbar with drawing tools and a large open space where you'll create your diagram. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a second. Once the canvas appears, you're ready to start. Next, let's draw shapes. In the toolbar, pick a shape like a rectangle, ellipse, or diamond. Click and drag on the canvas to draw it. If you want perfectly even proportions, like a perfect square or circle, hold the Shift key while you drag. Release the mouse to place the shape. When a shape is selected, you'll see small handles around it. Drag these to resize, or grab the shape itself to move it into position. If you accidentally draw it too small or too big, just adjust with the handles until it looks right. You can stack shapes or line them up to build a quick layout for your flow or diagram. Now add text so your shapes have meaning. Double-click inside any shape to start typing a label. You can also double-click on an empty area of the canvas to create a standalone text box. Type your content, and when you're done, press the ESC key to finish editing. You can then move the text box or the shape to refine your layout. Keep your labels short and clear so your diagram stays readable at a glance. Finally, connect your elements with arrows. Choose an arrow or connector tool from the toolbar. Click once where you want the arrow to start, then click again where it should end. If you prefer, you can create quick connections by double-clicking from one spot to another. Arrows will snap neatly to the edges of shapes, and if you reposition a shape afterward, the connection stays attached, which helps keep everything organized. If a line looks awkward, grab its endpoints and nudge them so the flow is easy to follow. That's it. Open the website, draw the shapes you need, add clear text, and connect everything with arrows. With these basics, you can sketch ideas, map processes, or plan projects quickly and cleanly. Give it a try, and you'll be diagramming in minutes.